training and development for Danube properties. Some 19-20 years of work experience. Like most of you, I also started my career into sales. I used to sell insurance back in India. Uh, and after 3-4 years of sales, I moved into sales training. In real estate, it's been almost 12 odd years. People who are from NCR can recognize a company called India Homes, Agni Properties. So yeah, I started my real estate career with them. Then I moved to Prop Tiger. Eventually, we acquired housing and all. So I was taking care of trainings for Prop Tiger and housing for 6.5 years in north and west of Mumbai, India. And then I moved to Dubai almost three and a half years back. So I joined a developer called DAMAC, and from DAMAC I moved to Danube almost 8-9 months back. Right. So that's about me, and I'll be taking you through not only the latest offering of Danube. uh, I believe is having project knowledge is the easiest thing. The difficult thing is how to present it to the customer, how to give the value proposition. So rather than concentrating more on the technicalities of the project, we will gonna talk about the pointers which actually drives the real estate market in Dubai, and how we can position our product in front of customers, right? If you guys have your pen and paper, you can note it down. I'm a numbers guy. I'm gonna throw a lot of numbers to you, which will gonna make a logical sense why a customer should put his money with the Danube in Dubai, right? So perfect. So just to start with, let me see if I can share my, right, and then we will move towards what's there in store for us when it comes to Danube, what is our current offering, and we'll also gonna talk what is happening in the Dubai's market and all, right? So let me just quickly share my, and here we are. I believe my screen is visible, right?
Yes, it's visible.
Perfect. All right. So we often talk, yeah, Dubai is one of the safest city. The economy is growing like anything. You don't get taxed on your capital gains. You don't get taxed on your return on investment. Everything is there, yes. And people say there is a very high ROI as well.